Hey everyone, this is Frank Chen with REIClub.com, the only site you'll need as a real estate investor. And today I have a quick video for you that should help you better decide which type of real estate investments are right for you. Really, there are two major types of real estate investing. You have your short-term cash deals, and then you have your long-term appreciation/income deals. I've separated into these two categories, highlighting some of the main points to help you better decide which of these two categories you best fit in. So the first thing we're going to be talking about are your short-term cash deals. And what we're referring to are your wholesales, your short sales, rehabs, and flips. Now, your general return on your investment usually can be up to a few weeks to a few months, and if you're lucky, you can get it even done in a few days. Now, personal time that you need to invest is going to be rather substantial. You are the manager, you're going to be doing the hiring, the negotiations, you're going to be on the job site. So it's not going to be really that easy to balance with a full-time job. So you're asking, what kind of experience is required? Well, moderate. For, say, wholesales and flips, you're going to need a little bit more, say, for short sales and rehabs, just for the experience quota. So guys, nothing you can't find via the internet or through a real estate course. Now, what kind of money or credit is required? Well, if you have no money, no credit, no worries, because there are no money, no credit strategies in short-term investing. There are also ways of finding access to private funding in order to fund your deals. Now, let's talk about your objectives. Why are you going to do short-term? If you're looking for quick cash deals, lower risk types of strategies for investing, such as wholesaling, this is a good place to begin. Now, the benefits are, once again, there are no money out-of-pocket strategies. The credit does not play a huge factor. You get substantial amounts of return in a short period of time. And of course, your money is not locked in for a long period of time. Also, there's a lot of availability and volume, so you're always able to find deals, and there's less liability because you're able to get in and get out so quickly. Now, the cons are, it's safe that you have reserve money in case of extended periods of vacancies or unexpected repair costs. Also, it's very fast-paced, as mentioned before. You're going to need to educate yourself in order to be competitive in a short-term market. Now, some of the deals you have to be prepared may not go through to completion. I'm referring to your short sales. And then some properties in your short-term portfolio might have to end up in your long-term portfolio in case you don't perform the correct due diligence. Now, a summary for your short-term is that if you're an extrovert and you're able to handle extreme negotiation situations and are very self-motivated, I highly recommend this style of investing. Now let's move on to the next one, which are your long-term income appreciation types. And these are your buy and holds, aka your rentals, condos, retail offices, duplexes, self-storage, etc. Now your general return on your investment is a few years to a lifetime. So you can hold on to these as long as you would like or when you're ready to flip these properties. Now, personal time invested is going to be moderate because you do have the flexibilities of management companies. Also, it really just depends on the quality of your tenants. Now, what kind of experience is required? I'm going to say substantial because it requires long-term planning, research, and familiarity with the market. If you don't really know anything that's going on in the market you're investing in, you have the high potential of digging yourself into a huge hole of debt when it comes to long-term investing. Now, what kind of money or credit is required? Well, some credit capital is required, and credit will determine what kind of loan you're going to get. And without credit, it does make this process really difficult. Now, what are your objectives for long-term investing? If you're looking to create a retirement fund and looking for a good source of passive income, this is where to begin. Now, let's talk about your benefits. Now, you get a steady monthly income stream, as well as the properties pay for themselves while they appreciate, and it's really just a good way to build a retirement plan. You get tax incentives, and you also get government funding, such as your Section 8 vouchers for your residential tenants. So, and also these properties, you're not going to be fixing to sell, but you're fixing up so they're inhabitable. So these are great ways to save on costs as well. Now, cons-wise, quality, you have to qualify for a loan. Money is tied up for 5 to 10 years, maybe a longer period of time. Also, you may experience a drop-off in the market before you see an appreciation in value. You are also dealing with constant maintenance, and extended periods of vacancies or unexpected repairs do hurt your bottom line. Of course, there is more liability because you are locked in for extended period of time. So in summary for your long-term investing, if you're investing for passive wealth, building an assets portfolio, the idea of being a landlord does not exhaust you, and you are okay with little but steady income on the month-to-month, this is a good form of investing for you, the long term. So the current market, guys, there's a tons of sellers, lots of buyers, what we call a buyer's market. So unless you're able to find a really good short-term deal cheap, and by good, I mean you're able to enter a saturated market with enough profit margin in order to sell it within 30 days, that's a good deal. If not, I would highly suggest you investigating and kind of researching potential long-term investments. So guys, once again, I hope this video did help you better decide. This is Frank Chen with REIClub.com, wishing you the best. Be sure to leave comments below. Best comments, we're giving you a great shirt from REI Club. Subscribe to our channel so we can keep you informed of new videos that come. Once again, this is Frank Chen thanking you, saying good investing and take care. Bye-bye.